Hello and welcome to Biz Points. Let's get down to the key biz points of Costco. Costco's Q4 2024 earnings call began with Gary Millerchip, Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer, providing an overview of the company's financial results for the 16-week fourth quarter ended September 1st, 2024. Millerchip reported that net income for the quarter was $2.354 billion, or $5.29 per diluted share, up from $2.16 billion and $4.86 per diluted share in the 17-week fourth quarter last year. He noted that this year's results included a non-recurring net tax benefit of $63 million, or $0.14 per diluted share. Millerchip then discussed net sales, stating net sales for the fourth quarter were $78.2 billion, an increase of 1% from $77.4 billion in the fourth quarter last year. Adjusting for the extra week last year, net sales would have been up 7.3%. He provided a breakdown of comparable sales across different regions, highlighting that total company comparable sales were up 5.4%, or 6.9%, when adjusted for gas deflation and foreign exchange. The Chief Financial Officer moved on to discuss membership fee income, reporting $1.512 billion for the quarter, a 0.2% increase year over year. Millerchip noted, excluding the impacts from the extra week last year and foreign exchange, normalized membership fee income was up 7.4%. He also shared that the U.S. and Canada renewal rate was 92.9%, down 0.1% from quarter three end, attributing this slight decrease to an online membership promotion from the previous year. Millerchip then addressed gross margin, stating, "Our reported rate in the fourth quarter was higher year over year by 40 basis points, coming in at 11%, compared to 10.6% last year, and up 33 basis points, excluding gas deflation." He provided a detailed breakdown of the components contributing to this increase. Moving to selling, general and administrative expenses, Millerchip reported that the rate was higher year over year by 8 basis points, coming in at 9.04% compared to last year's 8.96%. He noted that higher wages went into effect for the last 6 weeks of the quarter in the U.S. and Canada, which was a headwind for the quarter of approximately 4 basis points. The call then shifted to operational updates, with Ron Vakris, President, Chief Executive Officer, and Director, discussing the company's progress during fiscal year 2024. Vakris highlighted the company's commitment to growth, stating, "Throughout fiscal year 2024, we continued to execute on our strategy of growing the top line through delivering the highest quality goods at the lowest possible price to our members." Vakris emphasized the importance of Costco's employees and company culture, noting, "As a management team, we continue to be incredibly proud of our 333,000 employees worldwide and the culture that they foster." He also discussed the company's focus on succession planning and internal promotions, revealing, "In fiscal year 24, we promoted 95 new warehouse managers. 85% of those promoted started at Costco as an hourly employee." The CEO then provided an update on new store openings, stating, "In fiscal 2024, we hit our target of 30 new warehouse openings. This included 1 relocation and resulted in 29 net new buildings." He also outlined plans for fiscal year 2025, projecting 26 net new buildings, with 12 of the planned 29 openings coming outside of the United States. Vakris highlighted the success of Costco logistics, noting, "Appliances and furniture and big and bulky have led the way, and logistics delivered over 4.5 million items this last year, up 29% over the year prior." He also mentioned technological improvements, such as the ability for members to check warehouse inventory via the Costco app and the installation of membership card scanners at front doors to speed up the checkout process. The call then returned to Gary Millerchip for a more detailed financial analysis. He discussed various aspects of the company's performance, including e-commerce growth, which saw an 18.9% increase in comparable sales. Millerchip also provided insights into merchandising trends, noting strong performance in categories such as gold and jewelry, gift cards, toys and seasonal items, home furnishings, tires, and housewares. Millerchip highlighted Costco's commitment to value, stating, "Our goal is always to be the first to lower prices where we see the opportunities to do so." He provided examples of recent price reductions on Kirkland's signature products and discussed the company's efforts in sustainability and localization of production to reduce costs and emissions. The chief financial officer then addressed inflation, noting that it was effectively flat across all core merchandise in the quarter. He stated, "Food and sundries and fresh foods were slightly inflationary, and this was offset by deflation in non-foods." Moving to the question and answer session, various topics were discussed, including 1. The impact of membership card scanners. Ron Vacris explained that the system, now implemented in about 350 U.S. warehouses, has improved productivity and member interaction. He noted, "We have seen some lift in member signups from that. We've also seen a lift in renewals because before people get to the front end, now they're aware that my renewal is going to be due when I get to the registers." 2. Potential port strike impact. Vacris addressed concerns about a potential port strike, stating, "We have done a little bit of everything. We've got contingency plans, we've cleared the ports, we've pre-shipped, we've done several different things that we could to get holiday goods in ahead of this time frame, and looked at alternate plans that we could execute with moving goods to different ports and coming across the country if needed." 3. E-commerce performance. Gary provided insights into the company's e-commerce growth, noting, "We've grown our compounded annual growth rate in e-commerce. It's been over 20% for that 10-year period." He also mentioned that e-commerce penetration would be in the high single-digit range based on current reporting methods. 4. Kirkland Signature performance. Ron Vacris discussed the continued growth of Kirkland Signature, stating, "We continue to see the penetration grow, and it's in the high 20s now, as it continues to grow as our penetration across the board goes." He emphasized the brand's importance in building member loyalty and value proposition. 5. Consumer behavior. Gary Millerchip observed, "It's very clear that quality and value have never been more important." He noted that as inflation has dissipated, members have started to spend more on non-food items, which the company sees as encouraging. 6. Membership fee increase. Millerchip addressed the recent membership fee increase, stating, "We were very deliberate about the timing. In fact, we're really delayed by 2 years from when we've traditionally increased the fee every 5 years." He noted that there hasn't been a significant member reaction to the increase. 7. Wage increases. Ron Vacris provided an update on employee wages, stating, "Currently, the average wage is just north of $30 an hour for U.S. and Canada employees." This wraps up the earnings call. If you found this clip useful, we would appreciate it if you could help by liking, sharing, and subscribing, as well as viewing our other clips on other companies. Thank you.